Gong practice 121. Today is August 6, 2020. It's a Thursday. Tomorrow is Friday. Then comes the weekend. Not that it really matters, because every day is a great day, an opportunity to do something for yourself, to do something for others. And today I did both of those. So I took care of some stuff for work, took care of some stuff for some people, and then now I'm taking care of stuff for myself, which is getting my daily practice in. And then I have a pile of vegetables to chop up and make some food. It's all soaking in my 11.5 pH alkaline Kangen water, alkalized water from Kangen water. Strips all the stuff off there, makes them nice and clean, replenishes the fruits and vegetables, brings back life, and gets rid of all the pesticides and all that jazz. If you'd like to know more about it, just go ahead and comment below, and I'll hook you up with somebody that can tell you more about it and maybe help change some things in your life. Works for me. I don't know. So I got some vegetables, some dinner to cook in a moment. So I just want to get my gong practice in before it got too late. It's like 4:30 or so. Get my practice in, make some food, meal prepping for a few days, and then just have a nice, easy, relaxing night, or do some more work. It depends how it goes. But sound journey, gong practice. Welcome. I'm gonna start playing in a moment. I recommend noise canceling headphones if you have them. You don't need to have them. It just reduces static. And turn off your cell phone and anything that may distract you, anything that may disturb you. You just want to be able to be present and listen. You can be wide awake if you like. If you want to watch me play or do things around your house, go ahead and do so. But I don't recommend driving a car, operating any heavy equipment where you may zone out or tune out and then cause an issue, and no need for that. So just take 30 minutes for yourself, lie back, close your eyes, and listen, and focus on your breath. The way I like to focus on my breath is I inhale through my nose, and I imagine my breath as a white light, like a bright white light, the light of love, light of life, the breath of life. And as we inhale that light inhale through my nose, it travels to the top of my head, then down my spine, and it fills my belly, fills my chest, fills my whole cavity with this white light of love. And then as I exhale out of my nose, I force the air down my chest, out of my belly, tighten my abs to get a physical connection to the breath leaving my body. And then as the air travels up my spine and out of my nose, I force that white light. I imagine that white light traveling down my spine, tailbone, legs, and feet to fill my whole body with breath, with air, with energy. It's all around us, and that's just the way I do it. And you can focus on your breath any way you like, but just focus on your breath. If your mind starts wandering as you're hearing the gong, just come back to your breath. If you see things, feel things, whatever, acknowledge them, observe them, and move on. If you feel like you need to cough or twitch or sneeze, or your body needs to do something, just let it happen. Don't resist. Let the energy move what it's supposed to move. That's what we're doing here, is we're creating sound, and let the sounds move you and shift things around. So if you feel like a little twitch needs to happen, a little tickle in your throat, a little cough, then just let it happen. It could be opening up your throat chakra. You could be having little tingling at in between your eyes, up in that third eye could be activating. You could have some burning in your gut. It could mean your sacral chakra, solar plex, heart chakra could be all coming alive. Your root chakra down below the base of your spine, like all these areas could be charged with energy. Your legs could twitch. All these different things could happen. Not saying they will happen, but if they do, just accept it. Just let it happen. Let the energy flow. That's what I'm doing. I'm just being a free-flowing being when I play the gong. I don't have any intention. I do have intention. I play with the intention of love and abundance and freedom and putting out positive things for everybody. But beyond that, what I'm going to stroke, which way I'm going to hit it, I don't think about it. I just start, and wherever my hands go, they go. And then at a certain point, I got to look up at the clock and see where I'm at, because this thing only goes 30 minutes, and then it times out for whatever reason. It's a setting of this camera. I wish I would have known that before I bought it. Probably wouldn't have bought it, honestly. Other than that, the camera's a great camera, and I probably don't use all the functions that it could use. But that's just me not learning stuff, because I just basic record and then make a video. But anyway, that's just a little bit about that. I'm going to go ahead and start playing in a moment. So go ahead and focus on your breath. Inhale through your nose. Relax. Give yourself these 30 minutes of peace. Let the sounds move. You may hear some birds chirping. You may hear whatever's out there is out there. Gonna get some sounds moving in a moment. And then get my dinner cooking. Make some food. Excited about all of it. So thank you very much. And I'll start playing in a moment. Focus on your breath. Oh, and I'll wake you up when it's done. You need not worry. 30 minutes. You'll hear me. Thanks. Slowly coming back to yourself, take a nice deep breath in through your nose. Wiggling your fingers and toes. Exhale as you feel. Rotating your wrists and ankles, arms overhead, legs, however. Just coming back, welcoming yourself back into yourself. Taking a moment to reflect on those 30 minutes. For me, it didn't even seem like 30 minutes. Just got lost. Honestly, I just end up staring out the window and striking the gong most of the time. Just in my own space. Time to reflect for myself. But just being present. I can feel the sounds right now, the vibrations still in my body. I can feel a tingling sensation as things have shifted a bit more, I believe, to put me in better alignment for my mission. What's my mission? To become the greatest version of myself possible. To love myself more so I can love other people more. To fill my cup so it can overflow into other people. To be a conduit of the abundance of the universe so it can flow through me so I can help other people. Create wealth for others. Free other people from this system. That's what I think my mission is. That's what I feel like I want to do, is just help people see things differently. The only way I can do that is share my experiences, share my story, and share things that have worked for me. And the gong being one of them, and so I share. In time I will share more, so much more, but it's all in time. There's only so much I can let out at once. I'd love to let it all out right now, but in ways I can't. I only can't because I choose not to, because other things need done first. The system. Chess is life, life is chess. I'm a chess player. I gotta think many moves before I make one move. And that's how I look at my life. Certain actions need to be done before other actions can be done, if you want those actions to go the way you want them to go. Calculated moves. Mindfulness. No rash decisions. No reactions. Anyway, that's how I live my life. Oh, and the gong helps me so much. Keep myself centered. If you have anything that you experienced during that sound journey, go ahead and comment below so other people can read about it. Maybe it'll help them remember what they experienced, or at least start a conversation. I mean, why not? There's really nothing in this, nothing you could post that'd be embarrassing. I mean, there's no reason to be embarrassed about anything, honestly. Your life is your life, my life's my life. Just share your experience, why not? Doesn't hurt to share. We've all done things that we're not proud of. We've all done things that, well, it doesn't matter. I just want to share the 5 principles of Reiki. Go over those every single day. Keep those fresh in my mind. They are: just for today I will not anger. Just for today I will not worry. Just for today I'll be grateful. Just for today I'll be kind to others. And just for today I'll focus on my work. Those 5 things every single day. The main focus is just for today. All we have is today. Today. This moment. Today. Don't know if tomorrow's going to come, but today lay foundation for tomorrow. Put stuff out there today that may help you tomorrow, but still live today. Do something for yourself today. Do something for others today. And remember not to anger, not to get worried. Just be grateful. So many people can say, well, what's there to be grateful for? Blah, blah, blah. Tons of things. Can you breathe? Grateful. Can you see? Can you speak? Can you hear? Can you taste? Can you touch? Can you feel? Can you love? Can you be loved? Everybody can be loved, but the trick is you need to learn to love yourself. You might not be in love with yourself, but you gotta love yourself, the self within, and then in time you fall in love with yourself. And I can be honest, I wasn't always in love with myself, my physical self, no way. Many years I was seriously depressed. I tried to hide it really well. I probably hid it pretty well. Honestly, smiling a lot helps. Especially if you fake smiles. If you look back for a good portion of my pictures, you may see smiles like this. And that's excited face smile, but also a good way just to put it out there, make myself smile, make myself laugh. But a lot of times I was just in that state because I was hurting inside. I was lost, I was confused, I knew I wasn't living my path that I wanted to live, but I didn't know how to make the next step. I was afraid of being alone, afraid of, will I ever be able to find somebody else that's going to be my partner in life? Afraid of, how do you start over? How do you let it all go and start over? So many fears. And then I realized last year that I had to be truthful to myself. And once I did, and once I spoke my truth, things just started changing. I put more time into my body, more time into myself. I was investing time in myself more years before, but I started really focusing last year even more so. Because once I spoke my truth, everything else just went away. The excess weight just started coming off at a more increased rate. More clarity, my mind opened up, and better sleep, better understanding, because being in harmony with who I am, being able to look in the mirror and see the child that was there when I was a kid, same person, same thing, look into the eyes. If your light is not there that it was there when you were a kid, then you're just fooling yourself. Somewhere deep inside you're still in there. The inner child's in there. The child that's curious about life, the child that wants to do anything, the child that's not limited by anything, that's completely limitless. The child that was there before society programmed, before things were told that you can and can't do, before rules were made, control measures. The child's in there, full of love. Take a look in the mirror and see if you can see it. See if you can see yourself, find yourself. And if you can't find yourself in your own eyes in the mirror, then find somebody you can look into their eyes and find yourself in their eyes. Because the eyes are what look into the soul. And when you look into somebody else's eyes, you'll see a reflection of yourself. Because we're all interconnected. Or at least that's what I believe. But I'm happy now. I'm really grateful. I'm really excited. My life is simply fantastic. It really is. I mean, I'm just playing the gong today. What do I do? 30 minutes, play the gong, share it with the world. Right now I'm looking over, I look this direction. To my right on the wall, I got this beautiful painting by a great artist hanging on the wall. I get to look at that every single day. Just inspiration of what talent there is out there. Man, just so lucky. View from where I'm at. Outdoor space. Fresh breeze off the air. Got avocado trees, coconut trees. Shoot. Pretty lucky. Pretty fortunate. For sure, and I'm thankful for all of it, and I know it could all end it could end in a moment. Everything's temporary, even this life, as long as it may seem like as long it's not. It's just a blip, little bloop, in forever. So, all I can do is spread love, share sounds. So yeah, I guess that's all I have for today. I need to get cooking food. I need to prep it up, meal it up, get things going so it's done. Enjoy this sunshine. The sunset's gonna go down a couple hours and I can have a nice beautiful sunset and eat some food and just be thankful for all of it. So have a great day. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell people if you like, if you have anything to share about it, comment, whatever. I'll respond. something, I think, maybe. Unless you're just really rude and mean, then I probably won't respond. Maybe I will, I don't know. Depends. Can't guarantee I will respond, but I am thankful for people listening. But I am just also getting my practice in for me to know that I'm doing it and sharing sounds with everybody. So I like to say, or end with, laugh more, love more, and smile more. I mean, because smiling, like it's what I do. I always have. I've always smiled. I've always loved life. I've always. A little side note: I remember when I was 18 years old, started working at this company, and I was smiling every day, smile on my face. Get there at 6:30 in the morning. Work didn't start until 7. Everyone's sitting around. I was the youngest person there. 18 years old, fresh out of high school, group of adults. I was an adult, but I was an adult, but I just considered them more like adults because they're older than me, anywhere from 25 to 40 years old. Men smoking cigarettes, reading newspapers and stuff early in the morning. And I'd come in with a smile on my face every day, sitting around this circle with all these guys smoking cigarettes and a big smile on my face. And they'd say, "What are you smiling for?" I'm like, "Because, why not? Like, why not smile? Why not smile? Why not? Why not be happy? I'm smiling because I can. I'm smiling because I choose to. I'm smiling because I love life." So smile more. Love more. Help more. Do more. You can be more of you. Just you. Just do you. Love yourself. Love others. Have a great day. Another video coming tomorrow. Thanks.